If you're tired of running out of space while trying to edit in Final Cut Pro, follow this simple strategy to fix it. Here's the first step to follow. First, open up Finder and go to wherever the location is that you store your files. I'm working from an external hard drive here, but go ahead and right click and get information. So this is a 2 terabyte hard drive and I only have 150 gigs left on it. So next we're going to go to where the Final Cut Pro library is stored. I have a special folder structure that I use to help keep my edits organized. If you're in need of something like that, go ahead and click down in the description below for my cut flow editing essentials process for storing and organizing your media. So from here, you're gonna find the library and right click, go to show package contents. We're gonna go and find the event that you're working in, right? So normally it's whatever the date set when you started the project in Final Cut. So you're gonna go in here and you'll find a renders file folder. These are files generated in the back end of Final Cut. So while you're editing, Final Cut is rendering, where it's creating temporary video and audio files for segments of your project in Final Cut Pro that Final Cut Pro cannot play in real time. So when you add things like text effects, generators, they require rendering before they can play in high quality. So if we need to delete space, so say for instance you work on one specific hard drive and you edit a lot of stuff, Final Cut Pro is in the background creating and generating all these files automatically. We need to delete those to save space. They take up a lot of space. So here I'm gonna go to render files, and since it's an automated process in Final Cut, you're not breaking anything. All you have to do is when you reopen up your library, go to the project, have it re-render the video, and then you'll be good to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna right click, move to trash, or I'm gonna hit Command Delete to move to trash. Now you'll see the size available didn't change, and that's because the files are still associated to that drive, but they're in your trash. So we have to clear the trash. So let's go to the trash can, and those rendered files are right here. So we're just gonna empty the whole thing. It's going through and deleting all these rendered files. Speed this up. If you want to supercharge your videos with the latest video editing effects and learn workflows that will help you edit faster, I'm having a editing workshop called Edit Up. Be sure to click the link in the description to learn more. So look, we went from 150 gig up to 420. We nearly tripled the amount of space available. Be sure to like this video and subscribe for more video editing tips like this, and go ahead and check out the next one.